Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Gagawa po tayo ngayon ng tuna sisig recipe. Ingredients are 11 ounce tuna, 2 medium of small red onion, 1/4 cup of chopped spring onions or scallions, 2 teaspoon soy sauce, 1/4 cup of pepper including 2 to 3 pieces of Thai hot pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon salt, 1 piece egg, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 thumb of ginger minced, 1 teaspoon of butter, half teaspoon of brown sugar, half teaspoon of calamansi juice. Then separate natin yung tuna sa juices. Yan, separate natin yung tuna natin sa juices niya. Halo natin yung brown sugar, salt, black pepper, soy sauce, calamansi juice. Mix natin. Mag-prepare ng malinis na pan. Mainit na yung pan. Ginger. Tapos yung tuna mix. Yan. Ilalagay na natin yung pepper. Scallion. Mayonnaise. Tapos, lagyan na natin yung itlog. Wow. Okay, ready?